Did it hurt when you fell from the vending machine? Because you're looking like a snack.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Anyways, I got the Starkey Signature Series Custom CIC. It is the smallest waterproof and rechargeable hearing aid on the market. It has 30 hours of battery life. So if you're into water activities and you like to go swimming or play water polo or whatever, this is the hearing aid for you. So if you would like to trial it, click the link below or send us a message and book your appointment. We'll see you here.